Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to discover the amazing world of plants? Today we will learn 100 plants name in English with pictures, from beautiful flowers and trees to herbs, vegetables, indoor plants and aquatic plants. You will discover many wonderful plants found around the world. Look at each picture, listen carefully and repeat each plant name after me. Let's grow our English vocabulary together. Set 1. Common garden plants. Rose, rose. Sunflower, sunflower. Tulip, tulip. Daisy, daisy. Lily, lily. Jasmine, jasmine. Hibiscus, hibiscus. Marigold, marigold. Orchid, orchid. Lavender, lavender. Mint, mint. Basil, basil. Coriander, coriander. Aloe vera, aloe vera. Rosemary, rosemary. Thyme, thyme. Sage, sage. Parsley, parsley. Chives, chives. Lemongrass, lemongrass. Set 2. Trees and large plants. Oak, oak. Pine, pine. Maple, maple. Coconut palm, coconut palm. Banana plant, banana plant. Mango tree, mango tree. Apple tree, apple tree. Orange tree, orange tree. Lemon tree, lemon tree. Bamboo, bamboo. Neem, neem. Teak, teak. Eucalyptus, eucalyptus. Birch, birch. Willow, willow. Cherry tree, cherry tree. Peach tree, peach tree. Pear tree, pear tree. Fig tree, fig tree. Olive tree, olive tree. Set 3. Indoor and decorative plants. Snake plant, snake plant. Spider plant, spider plant. Peace lily, peace lily. Money plant, money plant. Pothos, pothos. Rubber plant, rubber plant. Cactus, cactus. Succulent, succulent. jet plant, jet plant. ZZ plant, ZZ plant. Philodendron, philodendron. Monstera, monstera. Areca palm, areca palm. Fern, fern. Bonsai, bonsai. Chinese evergreen, Chinese evergreen. Croton, croton. Dracaena, dracaena. Caladium, caladium. Begonia, begonia. Set 4. Farm and food plants. Rice, rice. Wheat, wheat. Corn, corn. Sugar cane, sugar cane. Cotton, cotton. Coffee plant, coffee plant. Tea plant, tea plant. Cocoa plant, cocoa plant. Pepper plant, pepper plant. Chili plant, chili plant. Tomato plant, tomato plant. Potato plant, potato plant. Onion plant, onion plant. Garlic plant, garlic plant. Ginger plant, ginger plant. Turmeric, turmeric. Eggplant, eggplant. Cabbage, cabbage. Spinach, spinach. Set 5. Wild and special plants. Lotus, lotus. Water lily, water lily. Venus flytrap, Venus flytrap. Pitcher plant, pitcher plant. Sundew, sundew. Moss, moss. Fern, fern. Seaweed, seaweed. Kelp, kelp. Clover, clover. Ivy, ivy. Vine, vine. Creeper, creeper. Wild grass, wild grass. Dandelion, dandelion. Bluebell, bluebell. Poppy, poppy. Camellia, camellia. Magnolia, magnolia. Snapdragon, snapdragon. Fantastic job, friends! Today you learned 100 plants name in English with pictures. Keep practicing these plants' name to build your English vocabulary and learn more about nature every day. Watch the next video in our 100 vocabulary word series. For more fun learning with pictures, please like, share, subscribe to We Are Learning for more fun educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning adventure. Till then, Bye.